Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tackling a frustrating issue that almost every PC gamer faces at some point, a Steam game failing to launch. If you've been clicking play only to see nothing happen, don't worry, because in this video, I am going to walk you through the most effective ways to fix this, step by step, so you can get back to gaming as quickly as possible. If this guide helps you resolve your issue, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tech tips. Let's dive straight into the solution. The very first thing you need to do is open your Steam application. Once it is open, navigate to your Library tab, where all your games are listed. Find the specific game that is refusing to launch. Right-click on it and select Properties from the menu that appears. A window will open with several tabs on the left-hand side. You want to click on the Installed Files tab. Here, you will see a button labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that. What this does is compare the files currently on your computer with those on Steam's servers, and if any are corrupted or missing, Steam will automatically download and replace them. This fixes the majority of launch issues. Once that process is complete, go ahead and fully restart Steam. Sometimes a quick refresh of the client is all it takes. If you are still running into issues, it might be time to look at your hardware drivers. Make sure you update your graphics drivers, as outdated drivers are an extremely common cause for games crashing or refusing to start. You can do this via your GPU manufacturer's software, like GeForce Experience or the AMD Adrenalin dashboard. Finally, try running Steam as an administrator. Right-click your Steam shortcut, select Run as Administrator, and then try launching the game from within the app. This often solves permission-related blocks that stop programs from executing. After you have followed these steps, your game should be up and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful and managed to fix your game, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our future troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!